You know, Steve Jobs famously said that the most original people he has worked with, the people who came up with the best ideas, didn't just come out of thin air with that idea. They went in the world and they saw things and made connections that nobody made before. For me, the best place to get new ideas is through observation out in the world. So whenever I'm stuck, what I do is I get up off my chair, out the door, into the world to see people, what people do, what people say, how people think, and that's where the most original and exciting opportunities for innovation exist.